What's up guys, Devin for Bogey Wheels. I'm going to show you just how quick and easy you can install your very own custom engraved rear bumper from South Simcoe Machine. First I'll show you what you need to get the job done.
To make this install as easy as possible, you'll need a drill, some kind of non-marring hammer, C-clamps, 10mm and 13mm wrenches if it's a skidoo, the hardware provided by South Simcoe Machine, measuring tape, and masking tape. Remove the stock bumper hardware and then pull the bumper off. You'll typically find 4 10mm bolts holding the skidoo bumpers on. Mask both sides of your tunnel and then mask the lower outer edges of your bumper. This is just to protect the finish on the bumper from the C-clamps we're going to be using. Now slide the bumper into place and clamp it in a spot where it looks good. Ensure the bumper is straight by measuring the distance to the grab bar on each side. You can make small adjustments by using the hammer to tap one side or the other. I chose to line up the angle of the bumper flush with the bottom of the tail pan. Now the beauty of these custom bumpers is you can choose any angle you want. Once you've found the angle you want, go ahead and mark the holes right on the masking tape. Using a 5/16 drill bit, it's now time to drill out all your marked holes. Now as a bonus step, you can trim up a piece of vinyl to cover up the bare spots where your bumper used to be. Adhesive vinyl can be found online or in most craft stores, and it also helps shed snow that might otherwise build up within the bumper windows. All that's left to do now is mount the bumper and insert the provided bolts through their new holes. Tighten the hardware using a 13mm wrench and the provided hex key, and then take a step back and enjoy your sweet new bumper.